Zacotech.
Hi, my name is Zach Owens. I'm the CEO of Zacotech. I'm here again with Kayla, fixing another monitor of hers that had gotten broken. I replaced it a few days ago. Is it still functional and still running okay?
Yeah.
Okay, well, like I always, it was just a quick screen replacement. It didn't take me too long. Any other thoughts or? No? Okay. Well, hey, I appreciate you. Thank you. All right, thanks.
The production was made by Zane Alexander Owens.
Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, to also like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get some more of my instantaneous videos that'll happen in 1 year. Thank you.
Zacotech.
Leon, sit down so you can get where she goes. Well, no, sit. Okay, stay where you see us. Stand up.
I
That way,
see you.
sit. Sit back.
Okay, should I click the red button?
You ready?
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Zach Owens. I'm the CEO of Zacotech.
Wait a second. Do I have to click the square? I don't understand.
No, it's going.
It's already going?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll have to edit it now.